To start, we need a bucket of water and compressor and empty cylinder. And connect compressor to 480 volt. First step, put the cylinder in the bucket of water. Before you put the bulb into cylinder, check the rubber gasket. In tightening up, we use clockwise rotation and make sure that the valve is tight. For additional knowledge, these symbols indicates when this cylinder has done the hydro test. Now already connected, but before we open this cylinder valve, we will check this and close the drain pressure valve. Now when already closed, we can open the cylinder valve and the compressor valve. And also make sure that this is fully open. Here you can see how much the pressure is your cylinder. Now it tells that 200 pressure, so we need to reach the 300 pressure. So everything is okay. We can start now filling up our BE cylinder until 300 bar. Now you can see here that the pressure already reached more than 300. We can now close the cylinder valve until fully closed. Before we disconnect, we need to release the pressure. To release, we just only open this drain pressure valve. We will put it falling down. We will keep it open. Now, you can see the pressure is already zero and the hose is soft. We can remove now our compressor valve by rotating into counterclockwise. And that's all. Thank you.